Hello, and thanks for tuning in to this month's spooky Make and Take Kids craft. I'm Chris from the Covina Public Library, and do I have the perfect October craft for you? Not sure if you'll be able to visit a haunted house this season? I think I have a solution. What if you created one of your own? Pretty spooky, huh? Are you ready to learn how to make one? Then let's get started.
Okay, so as you can see, this house is pretty fun to make. It might require some trial and error. It did take me a few tries to learn how to put it together the right way. I have no experience in construction, but I've seen enough Bob the Builder and Handy Manny to think maybe I've got it in me to create a haunted house. So a key part in making sure you're successful in this attempt is finding all the pieces. They're different colors, so it'll help you figure it out. But first put the house together, and then after that everything else is part of more fun. You can create the roof first, that's what I did first, and then from there just decorate it however you see fit. There's a lot of fun pieces. There's spiders, pumpkins, do not enter signs. Just try your best, and however it works out, let me know.
for tuning into this month's Make and Take Kids Craft. Now you know how to make your own haunted house, and I'm sure it turned out pretty well. You know what ghosts say, if you got it, haunt it. Thanks for crafting with Chris. I'll catch you guys later.